Hi, I'm Jenny. Today we're focusing on the liver, our body's amazing detox organ. In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver not only filters toxins, but also helps to regulate emotions and promote overall well-being. We'll nurture the liver health with gentle Qigong movements, meridian tapping, and sound healing techniques. Stay until the end of the video to learn some bonus tips to care for your liver. Let's begin by separating our feet to about hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. Soften your knees, soften your hip joints, and relax your body and calm your mind by gently shaking and bouncing a little bit. Exhale out with a gentle smile on your face. Before we begin our gentle Qigong movements, let's bring our mind inside to our hardworking liver. So rubbing your palms, warming up your healing hands. Exhale out. We're going to bring the hands to the upper abdominal area on the right side. Hands over here. And take a moment to visualize our liver, the largest internal organ. It's sitting on the right side, but also part of the liver extends to the left side. Visualizing our liver healthy, sending lots of gratitude for our liver, for its detoxing function and helping us to purify our blood. And slowly from there, relaxing your arms down. And we're going to gently relax the body by just kind of shaking out side to side. And with just gentle massaging motion around the midsection, mind inside, liver gallbladder on the right side, and stomach spleen on the left. And slowly relax. Palms coming down to in front of your lower dantian, lower abdomen. Breathing in, expanding, breathing out. Yeah, a couple of more times. Feel the space between the hands, expanding this healing energy. Inhale and exhale. Hands in front of your lower dantian. Slowly inhale, lift the left hand up, press the right hand down. Reach through the heels of your palms. And exhale. Comfortably, make sure you go with the rate or the speed of your breathing. So inhale, pressing up. Pause slightly at the top of the breath. You can look straight ahead. Exhale, release tension. This move is called separating heaven and earth, or 调理脾胃举丹手 in Chinese. Press through the heels of your palms. Pause slightly if you're comfortable. Exhale. Releasing your hands down. Right hand press up, sending healing energy to your liver, gallbladder on the right. Slowly release down. This move is great for improving our digestion, as this is really good for energy circulation for the stomach and spleen on the left side. You can feel that we're expanding, make room for your stomach and spleen on the left. We're gently squeezing the right side, letting go of anger, frustration we might be holding in the liver. And as you press the right hand up, we're extending the right side, making room for liver and gallbladder. Putting in kindness and patience. Exhale, release. Bringing your hands back down to in front of lower abdomen. One more time, finding your flow. Inhale. Pausing slightly, comfortably. Exhale, releasing down. So feeling this harmony and balance between the slight tension and the relaxation. Hands down. And take a breath. The next move is also from the 8 Pieces Brocades. We're going to slowly step the right foot out, make horse riding stance. So in order to make sure your knees are protected, toes are pointing out, make soft, gentle fists right here. This is the 7th movement. Punch with an angry stare. The right hand comes out first. That's an exhale. You can look right beyond your fist, rotate the hand, your arm, and then bringing your right fist in. Exhale on your way out. Inhale, bring energy in. Exhale. Imagine you're punching through an obstacle. And this one helps us to strengthen our legs, increases our energy, our vitality. Hands in Chinese is called 存全怒目增气力, and the eyes are related to the liver based on traditional Chinese medicine. When you're looking or actually glaring with this angry stare, big eyes, cast the top fist, and you can direct any anger, frustration you might be holding on the inside. Okay, last one. Horse riding stance also help us to energize our liver meridians, which we're going to learn right now. Take a breath. Let's draw the leg slowly back and step your feet back together. Hands in front of your lower dantian, holding your hands. Ladies, right hand on the inside, gentlemen, left hand. If you want to learn more about the AP Sparkades, I'm going to link the video in the description so you can practice more. It's a very, very healing Qigong set. Let's energize our liver meridians, which begin at the inside of the big toes. So let's trace first. And then it's going to come up inside of your legs to the groin area, and it will come up diagonally a little bit right towards under the breast in line with the nipples. So liver 1 all the way to liver 14. And we're going to gently tap, okay, body tapping. So from the top of your feet, coming up and inside of the legs to the groin area, and tapping up, slightly up until you get to the ribs area, right? So right under the breast, in line with the nipples, exhaling out. And one more time. So liver meridians are active between 1 to 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you want to send lots of good energy to your liver, you can either do right before you go to bed, or if you want, really anytime during the day, especially in the springtime, liver, right, spring season, they're all wood element. So exhale out. Good, and from there, just give yourself a nice sweep. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and turn on the notification bell so then you will get notified the next time I come out with a new video on self-care and self-healing techniques. Share this with a friend who can also benefit. Based on traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is responsible for the smooth flow of qi or energy in our body, and it's really hard to achieve that if there's negative emotion that blocks us. So we're going to learn a sound healing technique that'll help us to ensure smooth flow of qi in the body. You can either stand with your feet separated or sit if that's better for you. Arms float up as you inhale. Interlace the fingers, press the palms to the sky. And as you exhale, bend your body to your left side. Feel stretch on the right, looking up if possible. Exhale with a sound. Shh. The sound will help you to purge away anger and frustration you might hold in the liver. And we're going to put our healing hands to the right side, sending healing energy to the liver along with a green healing light. So nourishing the wood element in our body, liver. Good. Again, inhale, arms float up, interlace the fingers, press, exhale. Shh. Nice lateral stretch. Slowly, hands will come down on the right side. Visualizing a healing green light reaching into your liver along the positive virtue for our liver, which is kindness and patience. Okay, one more time. Breathing in, arms up. Pressing the palms up. Exhale. Shh. releasing anger and frustration, letting your hands come down. Once more, healing hands on the right side, sending in this intention of kindness, patience, along with the green healing light. And remember, it's better to be kind than to be right. Here are the bonus tips to take care of your liver even more. Number 1, eat a balanced diet. The wood element is nourished by the green color, so think of green veggies and fruits. Also, limit processed foods, excessive sugar, and alcohol, which can burden the liver. Strong emotion like anger can strain the liver based on traditional Chinese medicine. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, tai chi, qigong, and the healing techniques in this video can help. Number 3, get enough quality sleep. The gallbladder and the liver detoxify between 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, ideally before 10 or 11 o'clock at night. I will link a video in the description below on Qigong for better sleep, so you can practice about an hour before your bedtime. Number 4, avoid toxins. Minimize exposure to environmental toxins such as cleaning chemicals and pesticides. Choose eco-friendly options whenever you can, so that we can take care of the wood element in our nature and also the wood element in our body. Number 5, drink plenty of water to help flush out the toxins from our body. You can click or tap the screen for a video on Qigong for kidney health to take care of the water element in our body. I'll see you there.